Today's special court has awarded sentence to the accused, to the convicted former MP, Mr. Prajwal Revanna. Under Section 276K, he has been convicted for 2 years. Under Section 276N, he has been convicted for life with remaining period of life. And he has also been convicted on various provisions of Section 354 and IT Act as well. Now, the total compensation amount of 11,50,000 rupees has been awarded, out of which 11,25,000 rupees will be paid to the victim. In addition to the compensation which is awarded, the accused is liable to be remain in prison under Section 376N to the remaining period of his life. Thank you.
Sir, can this be challenged in High Court like by the...
Of course, he has the right to appeal. He can challenge it in appeal.
Today, MPMLA court, special court, convicted the accused and passed the sentence, quantum of sentence for Section 376N and K. For each offences, special court convicted the accused, imposed life imprisonment. As per the law, life imprisonment means it continues till the last breath, and further 5 lakhs each.
Fine. Judgment, sir?
Yes, it can be said like that.
What is the mentioned reason for the announcing the such a server sentence?
Which one?
Main sentence.
Rigorous. Life means nothing, not more than that. The only remaining, I think, higher offence is death. That is not prescribed under law. Life. He can challenge it before the High Court.